So good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
So today we are proceeding the topic we already start, that is
Maximum.
maxima and minima. Okay. So in maxima minima, I told that you with the help of one question I want to recall the previous lecture. Suppose what are the basic steps of finding maxima minima? What I told. Number one is you go for, suppose function x is there. This is the function x. Can you tell me any function? Any function here? Let me know problem. Any.
2x cube plus 5.
2x cube. 2x cube
Plus 5.
plus
5.
So it is very simple question. It is no problem. So function dash x. First study that what is the function dash x? Is it?
Yes.
So function dash x equal to what?
6x.
6x square.
Plus
So now what you have to do, you have to find out the critical point. For critical point, what I told you have to equate this first order derivative function as x equal to 0. है ना? So now, what should we step I write here? For critical point, what should I do? Function dash x is equal to what? 0. What does it mean? It means that 6x square is equal to what? So from here what you are getting, x equal to what? 0. X is, so your critical point is 0. At 0 you have to check, and for proving what you have to do. Function double dash x. What is that? Function double, what is function double dash x? 12x. Clear? Then what is happening now? Double dash x I am writing. Put the value of that. Function double dash x equal to, at x equal to 0. That is what? Equal to 0. So I told that 0 is not, we are not able to decide whether the value is maximum or minimum. So what from that to what do we do? So you go for third derivative. You go for, condition is that if that is second derivative is 0, so then you have to move in third derivative. Clear? So for finding maxima minima, I told that if function dash x, sorry, function double dash x is less than 0, less than 0 means that is negative. Less than 0 means, so the point will be, what will be, the value will be maxima. Value will be maxima, already I told. And if function double dash x is greater than 0, what I told? I mean that is positive. Greater than 0 means क्या? Positive. So value will be what? Minima. What will be? Value will be minima, already I discussed in previous lecture. There. So but here what we are doing, among in between these two इनमें से कोई भी नहीं मिल रहा. It is 0 we are getting. So if 0 we are getting, you have to go for third derivative. ये कोई rare question होगा, otherwise आपके सिलेबस में है नहीं ऐसा. So if third, we will go for third derivative. So what will be third derivative here? Third derivative is 12. So conclusion is that if function double dash x is 0 and function double third x not equal to 0, so that is a point of inflection. What is that? Means point of inflection means the function will be neither increasing nor negative. Again. So this point x equal to 0 it sets to a point of inflection. Clear? Okay. Now, note it down. Then until that I am writing another question. One more question. This is very short question. Next question. X2 minus 3. This is question from your book. X2 minus 3x square minus 9x minus 7. Done? Himanshu done? Can I clear it? Clear it? तो दोबारा लिखूंगा. Clear? Noted?
Yes.
Okay. So question is now x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 7. This is the question. Clear? So what do you do? You have to check where it is maximum, where it is minimum. So first step is common. What is that? Function dash x is equal to what? 3x square minus 6x minus 9 or not? Clear? Now for critical point, what we will do? For these are the common steps that follow in all the problems. Okay? For critical point, what we will do? Function dash x is equal to 0. So now 3x square minus 6x minus 9 equal to 0. So we divided by 3. So what you will get? X square minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So multiply this today. Very simple. Class 9. X square minus 3x minus plus x minus 3 is equal to 0. So now I am not going for any explanation because this is the matter of class 9. Okay, plus 1 and it is also x minus 3 equal to 0. So critical points are the value of x are x equal to that is 3 and minus 1. These are the critical points. Clear? So now what you have to do? First of all, we have to check the. I am having 2 points. Clear? So go for second derivative. Yeah? Second derivative. What do we do? So from here I am doing function double dash x is equal to what? 6x minus 6. What is that? Very simple. है ना? 6x minus 6. And this 6x minus 6 second order derivative, you have to check at both the points. किस पर? 3 पर और minus 1 है ना? So what do you do? Function double dash x at x equal to minus 1 ही ले लो पहले, है ना? Is equal to what? Minus 1 रखो. Minus 12 is less than 0 and negativity. What is that? So what will be maximum minimum? Value will be maximum. अब क्या है maximum value क्या होगा? What will do? How will calculate? Function minus 1 is equal to value. Where should you put the value? Question में, है ना? Maximum तो decide हो maximum, लेकिन कितना होगा? क्या होगा? मैं पूछ सकता हूँ, है ना? So that value जो हमने this point, the critical point should be placed where? Function पे, है ना? So what should I write? minus 1 cube, ये यहाँ से लिखो. minus 3 minus 1 square minus 9 minus 1 and it is minus 7. So क्या होगा? minus 1 minus 3 plus 9 minus 7. Calculate it. So what? I think it is 2 minus 2 minus. So this is the maximum value. इतना ही है ना? 3 4 11 11 to क्या? Sorry 9 into and then minus 2. So it is what? Which value is this? Maximum minimum? Maximum value. Clear? So now go for another point. Function double dash x at x equal to what? Second point is 3. So go for calculation. नहीं double derivative इसको रखेंगे. Yes. 6 into what? 3 minus 6, that is what is coming, or 12 coming. 12 means that is what greater than 0, means that is value will be what? Value will be minimum. Up to where it is clear? सही हो गया? Now which is the minimum value? What we will do? We will calculate function 3. So function 3 equal to that is 3 cube minus 3 and it is minus 3 square and it is minus 9 into 3 and it is what? Minus 7. So it is 27 and it is also minus 27 and it is minus 27, it is minus 7. So these two will cancel. So it is minus 34 is value and that is what it's. Which value is this? This is minimum value. What is that? So this is answer. Don't be confused because I am placing the point में दो बार place कर रहा हूँ. Don't be confused. Again I am telling you, I am placing point twice, दो बार, है ना? एक बार किसके लिए कर रहा हूँ मैं? To decide maximum और minimum. उसको कहाँ रख रहा हूँ मैं? Second order derivative, है ना? और finding the value, maximum value कितनी होगी? So for that where I am placing function कहाँ रख रहा हूँ? ठीक हो? Okay. So copy it, and with that one question of the word problem, the main thing you have to learn that is word problem वाला question करते हैं. एक question में already कराया आपको product वाला कराया था ना? एक बार दूसरे चैप्टर कराता हूँ आज. So वो अगर आ जाएगा फिर next एक आप will give you 1-2 days और class को because important topic is this, and then this second order derivative है first order derivative another method is there वो भी मैं आपको बताऊंगा वीडियो के आपके सिलेबस में है. कभी आ गया यूजिंग द फर्स्ट ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव तो वहां पर फिर आपको अगर आप पीछे हट गए दैट इज नॉट गुड. सो इसलिए हमें वो भी सीखना है. सो वन वर्ड और फिर वी कॉपी एंड देन आई एम सर्चिंग द वर्ड प्रॉब्लम फॉर दैट एक्सप्लेनेशन ताकि आप लोगों को समझ में अच्छी तरह आ जाए. No, it is not working. So it is copied or not? I am having yes to copied. So this is the option na? Tuck. No. Okay, now question is area. Actually dimensions of the that. What is the question? Dimensions of. Find the area of the largest rectangle. Find. Question is find area of rectangle having largest area and perimeter. meters. This is the question. Question is that find the area of rectangle having largest area, है ना? Find the area of rectangle having largest area and perimeter is what? So for that one, what we'll do? This is rougher actually. This is rectangle ABCD. Its dimensions are suppose it is x and it is y. Clear? So before going on the solution, we should know, and the key point of that I told in the starting of the chapter yesterday, I told that the least means minimum, smallest you know very well, maximum, largest, है ना, और क्या सकता है, greatest. So using these आपका key point. So you have to go for the differentiation of that मतलब आपको function उसी का बनाना है. So in this question you are having the two parameters, कहते हैं area and perimeter. Area and but the function will be used for differentiation will be what? Area. है ना? So what is next area? A equal to that is x into y. X into and you know very well at a time the differentiation is defined only for 2 point. y और x को आता है 3 तो नहीं करते नहीं बार पैरामीट्रिक भी कर रहे थे हम क्या करते थे 3 वाले 2 में डाल देते पहले x और t का कर रहे थे y और t का था हम बाद में सॉल्यूशन किया है. So you should know that the differentiation that is comparison है ना, comparison किसका चेंज का, इसमें 2 physical quantity item है but how many variables are here? 3. this 3 हो गए, कितने हो गए? So now 2 minima is 3 variables into reduce 3 variables into 2. So we will take the help of which perimeter is given. We will take the help of perimeter. Okay now, what I am saying? What I am saying? What I told that to minimize or to reduce three variable into two variable, we will take the help of given information, that is what we have given that parameter. So p equal to what? p equal to the 2x plus y, 12 plus b तो होता है parameter rectangle का, है ना? So here parameter is given what? 200 equal to 2x plus y. It is cancelled 100 times. So x plus y equal to 100 or not?
Yes, sir.
So what is y equal to?
100 minus.
So this y will be in the form of x now. Put here. So a equal to what?
100.
A equal to x, and it is what? 100 minus x. So now how many variables are present? 2. Area and x. Simple हो गया. अब now we can do differentiation, है ना? पहले हमने क्या बात होती थी? a भी था, x भी था, y भी था. So with the help of given information, what I do? I express the value of y in terms of x and place there. So now the function is reduced in two values. Now differentiation करेंगे अब. So now what should I dA का बताओ?
100 minus.
dA upon x differentiation. क्या चलो इसको एक बार मल्टीप्लाई करो, इजी हो जाएगा आपके लिए. जैसे 100x minus x square. So now dA upon what?
100 minus.
मल्टीप्लाई किया ना?
आप multiply में differentiate करके बता रहे हैं, 100 और minus.
नहीं यहाँ क्या बोलो ना. I am now going to differentiation step ना. तो डेरिवेटिव करना है. a का डेरिवेटिव बताओ. dA upon x है ना. y भी हो सकता है. You can express x in form of y. y भी हो सकता है. R x in दिया y भी रख सकते हैं ना. यहाँ से. So what is x equal to 100 minus y? जैसे मैंने y को नहीं लिखा, you can write what? X equal to 100 minus y. Y में जब y में होगा तो लिखोगे dA upon dy. So now what should I write? dA upon dx is equal to what? 100 minus 2x. So for critical point what we will do? For critical point बोलो. For critical points what I will do, that is 100 minus 2x equal to 0. So x equal to 50. x equal to for फिर मैक्सिमम मिनिमम x स्टेप इज फॉर मैक्सिमम मिनिमम के लिए क्या करना होता है? मैक्सिमा एंड अभी बता लिया हमको, ठीक है? मैक्सिमा एंड मिनिमम व्हाट विल डू? डबल डेरिवेटिव फंक्शन दैट डबल डेरिवेटिव x इक्वल टू व्हाट? -2 माइनस x से है मजा आ गया. वेरी सिंपल. सो -2 पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव नेगेटिव वैल्यू विल बी मैक्सिमम, है ना? सो दैट इज ग्रेटर देन 0. सॉरी. So it is less than 0. It is that is -2 you are saying. Right. Okay. It is what is that क्या आ रहा है? -2 is this. This is less than 0. That means what is that will be maximum. Clear? Now we want maximum value. So what is value of x -2? No, x value is -50. X value is 50 है. So what is y here? 100 minus 50, that is also 50. So now value decided na, maximum minimum and maximum and x and y are calculated. So area equal to what will be 50 into 50. 50 into 50, that is 2500 meter square. So this is the maximum area. What is the maximum area? 2500. So you copy it, and then with the few more questions I will be with you again tomorrow.